The Sublime Text 3 Keyboard Shortcuts Cheat Sheet. Sublime Text is a slick, responsive cross-platform text editor that the developer community swears by. If you rely on menus and buttons to find your way around in this powerful program, you're missing out on a faster, more seamless experience. You don't have to do much to discover them all. We already have the most essential Sublime Text 3 shortcuts lined up for you in our cheat sheet below. The shortcuts work on Windows and most of them work on Linux also, with a few modifier key replacements. They work on macOS too. Swap out Ctrl for Cmd and Alt for Option when you use Sublime Text on macOS. Free download. This cheat sheet is available as a downloadable PDF from our distribution partner, TradePub. You will have to complete a short form to access it for the first time only. Download Sublime Text 3 Keyboard Shortcuts Cheat Sheet. Ctrl K. Then Ctrl Shift Arrow Right, Arrow Left. Open new tab in pane to the left arrow, right arrow. Ctrl D. Select current word. Continue. Press D for expanding selection. Then continue in multi-line editing mode. Ctrl Shift Arrow down. Duplicate lines. On Sublime 3 on Windows this seemed to no longer work. Try Ctrl Shift D instead. While keyboard shortcuts can transform your Sublime Text experience by themselves, there are many more ways to build a faster and more productive workflow. Sublime Text is a versatile text editor and a gold standard for many programmers. Our tips focus on efficient coding, but general users will appreciate the keyboard shortcuts. By the way, you can also use the program for taking notes. After all, Sublime Text has all the necessary ingredients to make a stellar note-taking app for programmers. Staying organized as a programmer can be tough. Here are the best note-taking apps designed with coders and developers in mind. Text source, makeuseof.com.